I gave an input to build an app which gives funny Hindi daily quotes. And you can see here, once the prompt was given, everything else was done by Emergent. You can see here, it is running the code, checking the code, and it will also deploy the complete app as you can see on the screen. So the only input from my end was the prompt, and remaining things you can see here, already action is happening. One by one, everything is getting checked, and as I'm speaking, you can see how things are progressing. And this is the convenience of using AI tool nowadays, especially platform like Emergent. They have made it possible for anyone, even without having any coding knowledge, just a thought of what you want and giving a right input, you will be able to create the app. And this is the beauty about the ecosystem what Emergent has created. You have one-stop shop where you can not just build the app, but you can also deploy it. And this is ready for deployment. All I need to do is link this, and once I link, this app can go live. What was my input here? Just the thought, and remaining things was done by Emergent. And how quickly the app got shipped.